In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Google Chrome settings. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And here you can see all the settings that I will be packaging, and it's not much. Basically, I'm disabling all the Add privacy settings, also installing uBlock origin, and also disabling website notifications. Also, if you want to create your own package and add more settings, you can check out the videos that I have here. Basically, it's a link to a playlist of my videos that contains more Google Chrome settings. Also, here you can find more videos about Chocolatey and also about NuGet Package Explorer, because I will be using NuGet Package Explorer to create this package. And now to create this package, I will scroll up a bit, and here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. Now I will open it, and as you can see, it opens up with NuGet Package Explorer. And now I will expand tools, then I will double click on Chocolatey install, and I will click on this edit button. And here we need to provide the script that will be configuring the Google Chrome. And for that, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for configuring Google Chrome. And it works by creating registry entries in Windows registry. And now I will click on the button right here to copy the snippet, and then I will go to my NuGet package. I will insert the script here, then I will save it and go back to the package. And now we have the script that is responsible for deploying the settings. And now we can add another script that we can use to remove all the settings. And for that, I will right click on Tools. I will select Add New File, and I will create another file with the name Chocolatey uninstall.ps1. I will click OK. And here we need to provide the uninstallation script. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page. And here I have the PowerShell snippet that is responsible for removing all the settings. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the snippet, go back to my package and insert the snippet here. Once again, I will save it and go back to the package. And now that I have all the necessary files for the package, I need to provide some information about the package here. So I'll click on this edit button. For package ID, I will enter Google Chrome-settings. For the version, I will leave it as is. For the authors, you can enter whatever you like. And for the package description, I will enter Google Chrome settings package. And that's basically it. Now we need to save the information by clicking on the button right here. And now we can save the package itself. And for that, I will click on File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. Then I will go to my Downloads folder. And here we have the package for the deploying Google Chrome settings. And now to install this package, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have few Windows virtual machines, and both of them have Google Chrome installed. And Google Chrome was never executed in the virtual machines. That means that I will be getting the first run experience on both of them. And now I will open my File Explorer, then I will go to my C drive, and I will create a new folder here. I will name it Choco. And I will go inside of it, and I will place the Chocolatey package inside of this folder. And I will be using this folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will be installing this package. And now to install this package, I will go to my Start menu. Here I will search for Terminal application. I will run it as administrator. Then I need to provide the installation command. So it's choco install. Then we need to provide the package ID, and the package ID we can see on the package right here. It's Google Chrome-settings. So let's enter Google Chrome-settings. And because I'm using my local folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and provide the Chocolatey repository location. So it's my C drive and Choco folder. I will also add -y, and let's press enter and see what's going to happen. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. And before running Google Chrome on this virtual machine that has the settings, let's go to the other virtual machine and run Google Chrome here and see how Google Chrome behaves and looks when we don't have the settings installed. So I'll click on it. As you can see, we get the first run experience. Let's not sign in and skip here. Also, we get some pop-ups. As you can see, we don't have any extensions installed except for the default one. And everything looks normal. If I close it, and reopen it, we get this annoying message right here about the ad privacy features. And we need to click no thanks. And that's basically it. Also click here. And this is basically how Google Chrome behaves on default. Now let's go back to the virtual machine that has the settings and let's run Google Chrome here. So I'll double click on it. We still get the first turn experience. Let's not sign in. Skip. We get the pop-ups, but as you can see here, we have the extension installed, uBlock Origin. And also, if I close it and reopen it, we don't get the message about the ad privacy experience. And that's basically it for installing Google Chrome settings with Chocolatey package. Now, if you want to remove all the settings, we can go back to the terminal application and here we can type choco uninstall. Once again, we need to provide the package ID. So I'll copy it from here. And also I will add -y and let's press enter. You can see that the package was successfully removed. Now for the settings to apply, I need to relaunch Google Chrome. So I'll close it and reopen it. As you can see, when I reopen it now, we get this message right here that is pretty annoying. No thanks. And got it. Also, we no longer have the extension installed. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.